Use the Teflon brush sold with the baking unit to remove any excess residue on the grid plates. Brush the grid surfaces periodically between waffles to ensure a clean baking surface. If a waffle is difficult to remove from the baker, brush the grid plates thoroughly before baking another waffle. It may be necessary to turn the baking head of the unit on its side to remove excess crumbs deep in the grid. Do not overspray the grid plates with the release spray. Overspraying can result in a buildup of oil that can affect the coloration of the finished waffle.